Happy Friday! You made it to Friday. Today, I'm excited because we are going to pause on The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe today, and we are going to take another beloved story and we're going to compare and contrast with some of the characters. So, you are going to go to your Google Classroom, which you're probably already there because you're watching this video, and you're going to click on your Narnia journal. When you get there, you're going to go to page 19, and you're going to see a picture of the story Alice in Wonderland. And you are going to click on that picture. And when you click on the picture, it's going to bring you to chapter 1, down the rabbit hole from the story of Alice in Wonderland. After you have read it, and it's going to take you to the very bottom, that's all of page 1, or excuse me, all of chapter 1, you're going to go back into your journal and you're going to click on page 20. I'm going to zoom in so you can see some of the questions. And you are going to compare Alice with Lucy Pevensey from Narnia. And so, what I would do is, as you're reading Alice in Wonderland, since it's online, maybe take some notes on paper or sticky notes on things that you notice about the character of Alice. And maybe even start thinking of things that you think would be uncommon with Lucy and things that are definitely different from Lucy. And that way, when you come to this page, you're kind of already with the notes that you've been taking. So the first one you're going to answer, how did the character's adventure begin? So you can go back in chapter 1 of The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe because it explains how Lucy and her adventure began in Narnia. And then Alice, you can go back to this story of chapter 1 and how did she get to Wonderland? And then you're going to go all the way down and answer these questions about their personalities. Do they have any siblings? How did the character find her way into the unknown land? So what were the portals? You're going to fill this whole graph out, and then when you're done, you are done for the day. But it's just a fun way to see that two different books, classic books, how there are characters that have so much in common, but also there's definitely differences. And that's such a good skill for us to connect two stories together and just figure out the characters and how they relate. So I hope you have a great weekend. If you have any questions, you can email me. Bye.